This video is on doing a store transfer from ExtremePOS Corporate. Store transfers are a three-step process. The first step is, of course, to initiate it at corporate. Then you'll need to, at the sending store, verify how much you're sending, and at the receiving store, verify how much you're receiving. There will be 2 additional videos in this series to demonstrate those steps. In order to initiate a store transfer from corporate, go to Store Transfers, hit New, select your source store, in this case Store 1, and your destination store, in this case Store 2. It will take a moment when you first generate a store transfer as it retrieves the quantities available in your sending store. For this example, we have set all new items to have 5 in stock and all used items to have 4 in stock. If we hit Add, it will come up with a search screen from which we can perform a variety of searches. We'll take a look for PlayStation 3 games here. From here we can see the cost and price on all of these items, the used cost and used price on all of these items, so on and so forth. If we select an item, we'll see how many are available at the source and how many are at the destination. We'll go ahead and transfer 3 new and 1 used. If we add another item, we'll just set up a few items here. If you need to change the number you're transferring, you can click on the grid and type in the new number. If you need to remove an item, you can click on the grid and hit the delete button. If you wish to save without completing the transfer, you can just hit save. And when you're finally done, just hit mark complete and save, and that will send the transfer to the sending store. On the grid here, you can see that we have the transfer ID, the source and destination store, and then 3 date columns. The date complete is the date where we initiated it at Corp. The date filled is the day that the sending store sent it, and the date received is the date that the store received it. If you want to see the details of a completed transfer, you can hit View/Print Details and it will come up with a report, which will take just a moment to load here. As you can see on this, which I'll just make large enough to fit here, you can see your date complete. You can see that this one has not yet been sent or received, and you can get item by item breakdowns as well as summaries of your total requested and sent, new and used.